How's it going, guys? My name's Garrett, and welcome to another C# Studs tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about variables and math operators. Sadly, David can't be with us today. His grandma has come down with a bad case of the rabies. She's in the hospital, and he's visiting her, so please be praying for her. And also, I apologize for the poor audio quality. This is because we're testing out a new sound system in our condo in California, so please be bearing with us on that note. And speaking of which, on that note, we're going to start our video here. So first of all, we're going to address the common data types. These are not all the data types there are. These are some of the ones that are commonly used. So we have a string. This is used with quotation marks to store a phrase, word, letters, or other characters. An integer is a number that doesn't contain decimals, and it can be positive or negative. A double is a number that has decimals, and a Boolean is either true or false, and it's helpful in enabling it or disabling properties. So we're going to go ahead and go to our code here. I believe our first one on the list was a string, so we're going to say string 1 equals, and this is how you code for this. You're going to say whatever you want the string to say. In this case, I want it to say David sucks. Our next one on the list is integer. We start with int, our variable name, and then a number. Double, it's the same way, we just say double. And then we say 12.25 because that is a double. It has decimals in there. And then our last one is a Boolean. We just say Boolean 1 equals true. Or you can also set a Boolean to false. Those are all those. Now sometimes we have to parse data types. So why do we do that? The computer can't handle it otherwise. Basically what that means is if you try to say, hey, I want this to be an integer. I want this to also be, let's see, an integer, so I want it to be 10. But I want to store it in a new integer, so we're gonna skip down here a little bit. We're gonna say integer new int equals our string. That should work, right? I don't think so. Our error, it says cannot implicitly convert string to int. So how we fix that is we have to parse it. Here's the code for parsing. Parse, and then we do our string name. In this case, our string is string 1. And that should work. Also, that goes for both ways. We can also convert a integer into a string. So we could say string new string equals, we would do our integer, which is integer 1 dot toString. Those are really useful for saying if you want to display a number that you get out of a program that pops out, you want to put that into a label, you can do that. I actually have a label set up, so we can show you that. Let's change this code to label 1 dot text equals integer 1 dot toString. So this should display 9 in our text. Well, I guess we won't be able to see that today. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, that code should definitely run. I just want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1 million subscribers. I know it's a lofty goal. I know they say we can't do it, but we can definitely do it. Share this with all your friends, and we'll see you next time.